Today I'm coming at you with another tutorial. This one was inspired by a really ugly green. I really like ugly colors sometimes, you know, so I wanted to take this ugly green and turn it into something really beautiful. When I think of fall, I think of the color green, I think of smoky eyes, so I wanted to do something that kind of incorporates all of them together. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. If you like me, make sure you subscribe to me, all that good stuff. And without further ado, roll that beautiful bean footage. It's coming in that way, coming in hot for you, okay? Okay, so I already put down my foundation, I put down my brows. I have some baking powder underneath just to catch some of the pigment that's gonna fall down from the eyeshadow. It's going to happen. And you don't wanna like wipe it away and then you'll have like streaks of green and stuff. So I like to put like some extra powder. That way I can just dust everything off in one swoop and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on underneath my brow bone, under here. So I'm gonna put like a shimmer color underneath here and then we'll keep working down. So first I'm gonna take like a gold highlight color and I'm gonna put that underneath the brow bone, and then on top of that I'm gonna layer that like weird duochrome green shift that you see on top, but I wanna have like a gold base underneath. And I'm just gonna pat it so that it's more intense, so the colors can show. This is like a regular face highlight, by the way. It's by Maybelline, the Master Chrome Molten Gold is the name of the color. And over that, I'm going to take the color Electric in the Subculture palette, the palette that nobody really loved except me. And I'm gonna put that color right over the gold. And there's so many lights in here, I don't know if you can pick it up, but it gives it like a green shift, which will tie really nice to the rest of the greens that you're putting down. And I like to bring that down all the way to my crease. That way when I start working in my crease, we can blend everything together so it looks seamless. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into like a medium brown color and I'm gonna push that all up in my crease. Just to kind of blend the shimmer color that you took from your brow bone and to also give a base to all the greens that you're about to put down. Over that, I'm going to take another fluffy brush, different one than the one that I just used, and I'm gonna put some I'm gonna dip it into some really ugly, like a really ugly green. It looks exactly like my bag. Like it's that kind of ugly. I'm just gonna put that all over in my crease as the main transition from the top into the green smoky. Next, I'm gonna take another green that's a little, it's like I would say like 5 steps darker than the green that we just used. It's like an army green almost. And I'm just taking that on a flat brush and I'm pushing it all over my lid. And then you can take the fluffy brush that you were just using before that and blend it with that green that you put down in the crease. Keep going in with that dark green until you're happy with the color that's on the lid. And then last, for the lid space, I'm gonna take black, just like regular black, and I'm gonna put it on the end of the brush and I'm just gonna run it along the lash line. I won't be using any actual like liquid liner, so I'm just gonna use this as like a nice backdrop for the lashes, since the lashes are so full, and kind of press it just to blend them together. If you have any strange like pockets of pigment on the outer corner like I do, just take like a fluffy brush and work that out until it's gone. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take a dome shaped brush. This one's kind of like a thick dome shaped brush, and I'm gonna dip it into that brighter green that we initially used underneath the brow bone color. And I'm just gonna push that underneath my lash line. You can kind of pull it down, be messy with it. The whole purpose of this look is kind of like to look grungy. So that's what we're going for. And then after that, I'm taking an even smaller dome shaped brush. I don't know if you can see the difference. but the big one is the one that we just used and the little one is the one that we're gonna use now. And I'm taking the darker green that's on the lid space and I'm gonna push that even closer to the lash line. To have these colors show up as bright as possible, I would recommend like pushing them in instead of like sweeping them, because then, you know, that way you're getting the best color payoff. And then lastly, I'm gonna take an angled brush, just something that can get really, really close to your waterline, and I'm gonna dip it into the color black, and I'm just going to put that right along the edge of the waterline. In the inner corner, I'm just taking a little detail brush and I'm going back into the color electric, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. Along the waterline, I know this look is like pretty dark already, so I don't want to put black. You can if you want to, or if you have green, I think that would be really awesome. I'm just gonna take this, it's almost like a nude, like a skin tone color liner, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterline, kind of like open up my eyes. I'm just gonna put some glue on my lashes and set them to the side so they can get a little tacky before I put them on. While the lashes are getting tacky, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Now that the lashes are on, I'm just gonna put some highlighter, bronzer, and blush on my face, and then I'll come back and we can do the lips. All right, bronzer, blush, highlight is on. So next is lips. I'm gonna take a nudie brown, medium brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips. Next I'm gonna take, it's a pretty sheer, it's a luster from MAC, nude, and I'm gonna use that as my lipstick. Nothing too crazy because the eyes are already like, you know. And then last, I'm gonna take a nice nude lip gloss. All right, so 2 seconds, I'm gonna go change and then we'll get to the final looks, okay? All right guys, so this is the final look. We're in a green dress now. We got green accessories and stuff so we can match the eyeshadow. But I really hope that you guys like this. I like the idea of being able to take one color and put it in different textures. So we got the shimmer going on, we got the mattes going on. I love smoky eyes for fall. I think of green when I think of fall, so I think that this is a really nice fall look. But definitely let me know if you try it. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to do any other kind of look, or if you challenge me to use one color in another look. If you like this video and you want to see more of my pretty face, make sure that you subscribe, and until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Love you!